Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like video effects and animations to text on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this like transparent background to the track. Oops, I don't know why I added two. Go to text and add in your text. I'm just going to delete the text part and just type in default. Select the font that you want. I'm just going to choose this one. And then I'm going to delete the rest. And then after that, select both, right click and create compound clip. And here's where you can add in animation. So go to animation and you can add in an animation here. There's a lot that you can choose from. Just going to add this pendulum one. You can also add in some video effects to it too. So go to effects and maybe add in like this one, for instance, is going to be added to your text, as you can see, or the shining edge one. Oop, it's a little bit laggy, but you can change the color here. And that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!